only been a year, but it's been a fucking leap year. Yeah. Kicking with that new girl, eating my Chipotle. Yeah, we getting married, I don't care what all them hoes say. Rap Zac Efron, all we do is role play. Screaming Dios Mio, yeah, that must be cause I'm Olay. All that in a bag of chips, pass the guacamole. We just getting started, babe, imagine what I do say. Every conversation's just a chance for me to outwit. Do you feel that little spark? Outlet, out shit. So I don't need the press, I don't want an interview. I'm trying to lay you down, you just trying to with this spoon. Take you somewhere private so that I can get an interview with a vampire that's true blood up in the room. So have you heard me gossip, girl? I've been doing this since a Mickey Ryan Gosling, girl. Yeah, I read a text that you awake, come find me. She said the party here is getting Blake lively.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold.
So cold. Shouts to Roger Ebert, shouts to Emma Roberts. I think that you a cutie, but I'd rather have you out first. Take you to the movies, I can't wait until your starburst. Put me in a suit and a pair of dirty Converse. I'm fly than a motherfucker, pretty with her hair up. Bitches wanna play the field, so I just call them Airbud. All these rappers stuck inside the box like an air duct.